I will be sharing a website that pays a lot of money without any investment, and it's only based on your creativity and ideas. The site is named Eyeka. This site is for creators, where you help brands on how to improve their services and products in challenges and earn money. You need to read the brief during every contest posted, submit your most creative idea and earn money. Eyeka has managed to pay over 690,000 euros, which is over 6 crores in Indian rupees. Now you will wonder how to create an idea. So the website has mentioned this. You first need to understand what the contest is about, what the brief of the contest expects its creators to provide, and share a very creative and innovative idea that should be in simple words but yet creative with visuals that could help the brand understand how they could implement your idea. You do not have to copy any text from another website, but just submit your original idea with a simple presentation and earn money. Here are some examples of good and bad ideas that the website itself shares with its creators to know what to expect from the platform and what is expected of you. You need a title of the idea, a description to describe your idea in brief. Here, I will show you an example. Suppose there is a contest where it's asked how a fast food restaurant can improve its delivery service. You can say, it can have an AI robot to deliver food. It can change the packaging of the order in a customized way to avoid spilling using the customer's own utensils, etc. Your idea can earn you money. You can earn in euros, dollars, pounds and many more currencies. Here see the list of winners who have earned hundreds of euros by sharing their ideas for a new toothpaste cap. You can be one of them soon. Now you must be thinking, what if your idea doesn't win? Then what? Well, Eyeka has made sure to reward creative members of the platform. Here you can see a list of 60 winners who have submitted to ideas that have been approved by the platform, and they have managed to earn over €20 per approved idea. Here is my payment proof. I received payment via PayPal. You can also ask for Flipkart vouchers if you're from India. So just now register with this website and make money from your ideas.